Have you ever wondered where your favorite food comes from? Is biryani made from just rice? Or does every delicious dish have many ingredients? Let's discover the amazing world of food. Every day we eat different kinds of food. Some foods give us energy, while others help us grow and stay healthy. People eat many kinds of food, such as rice, idli, biryani, fruits, almost audibles, vegetables, milk, and sweets. Think about what you ate yesterday. Was it the same as what your friend ate? Different people eat different kinds of food. Although we eat many varieties of food, rice, dal, and vegetables are common foods in many homes. Every food item is made using different ingredients. Ingredients are the materials needed to prepare food. To prepare biryani, we need rice, onions, tomatoes, spices, oil, vegetables, or meat, and many other ingredients. Where do these ingredients come from? Some come from plants, some from animals, and a few from minerals. Plants give us fruits, vegetables, cereals, pellets, sugar, cooking oil, and many other foods.
Animals give us milk, eggs, meat, and honey.
Salt is not obtained from plants or animals. It is a mineral, mainly obtained from seawater. We eat different parts of plants. Some are roots, some are stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds. Some plants store food in their roots. We eat these roots because they are rich in nutrients. Common examples are carrot, beetroot, and radish. These roots help us stay healthy and strong. We also eat the stems of some plants. Sugarcane is a sweet stem, while potato is a modified underground stem. Both are important sources of food. Many leafy vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Spinach, coriander, and cabbage leaves help us grow healthy and protect our bodies from diseases. Some flowers are also used as food. Collard and broccoli are common examples. These flowers are rich in vitamins and fiber. Fruits protect the seeds of plants. We enjoy eating many fruits such as mangoes, and apples because they are tasty and nutritious. Seeds are an important source of food. We eat rice, wheat, groundnuts, peas, and beans. They provide us with energy and nutrients. Sometimes we eat almost the entire plant. Coriander and fenugreek are good examples because both their leaves and stems are useful as food. Some ingredients are used in small amounts to improve the taste and aroma of food. These include cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, cashew nuts, almonds, and raisins.
People living in different places have different food habits. Their food depends on the crops grown in their region, the climate, and their culture.
In Telangana, rice is the staple food because padu is widely grown. Rice is eaten every day in many homes and is prepared in many delicious ways. Different states have different staple foods. In Rajasthan, many people eat wheat, bajra, and chapati because these crops grow well there. We should eat different kinds of vegetables, fruits, cereals, and pellets every day. A balanced diet keeps our body healthy, active, and strong. Food can be prepared in different ways. Each method changes the taste, texture, and smell of food. Let us learn some common cooking methods. Boiling means cooking food in hot water. Rice, eggs, potatoes, and vegetables are commonly prepared by boiling. Steaming cooks food using hot steam instead of direct water. Idli and vegetables become soft and healthy when cooked by steaming. Fermentation is the process of keeping batter for several hours before cooking. This makes idli and dosa soft, fluffy, and easy to digest. Roasting means cooking food using dry heat. Groundnuts, corn, and some spices become tastier after roasting. Deep frying means cooking food completely in hot oil. Pakodi, puri, and chips are prepared using this method. Shallow frying uses only a small amount of oil. Fish, cutlets, and some vegetables are often cooked in this way. Some foods do not need cooking. Fruits and vegetables can be chopped and mixed to prepare healthy salads. To prepare tomato curry, first wash the vegetables, then chop them, heat oil, add spices, cook the onions and tomatoes, and finally add salt. In a few minutes, the curry is ready. Some foods spoil quickly because of microaerosols. Food preservation helps keep food fresh and safe for a longer time. Salt prevents food from spoiling. Pickles and dried fish are common examples of foods preserved using salt.
Drying removes water from food. Dry fruits, chilies, vegetables, and fish remain fresh for a longer time after drying. Sugar is also used to preserve food. Jams, jellies, and fruit juices stay fresh because sugar prevents spoilage.
Always check the manufacturing date and expiry date before buying packaged food. Never eat expired food because it can be harmful to your health. Let us quickly revise. We get food from plants, animals, and minerals. We use different ingredients to prepare food. Food can be cooked in many ways and preserved for future use. Now it's your turn. What is the staple food of Telangana? Name 2 methods of cooking. Which preservative is used for pickles? Write your answers in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.